The next command we're going to look at in the compound objects is the connect command. Now the connect command is fairly fussy about the objects it's using. So what I've done is I've gone and pre-prepared some objects. So to do this, I've basically made some primitive objects, converted them to editable meshes, and then removed some faces. And we'll talk about doing these kinds of edits when we get to the modify part of this CD. So basically I've built these objects. Now all I have to do is run the command against them. So basically my torus is selected. All I have to do is select the next object, and there you can see it immediately builds the connection between the two. I know it's a fairly rough looking connection, so if we scroll down a bit we can see the attributes which we can control in this connection. So if we change the number of segments in the interpolation, we can see that it's getting smoother. If we change the tension, we can see that it's changing the look of this connection. And if we then turn on the smoothing groups for the bridge and the end, you can see it's made a very smooth looking connection from the cylinder to my torus. And again, I can just play with these settings to manipulate that bridge until I get the result that I'm chasing. So it's a fairly straightforward command and has very similar controls on the display side as the loft command does. So have a play with it, see what you can make.